What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm finally going to be installing the Chevy 454 SS Emblem, and I have a bumper filler that I'm going to be painting colonial red. I'm going to be using this 2X ultra cover paint and primer. I'm also going to be removing the lower valance. I'm going to be taking off the lower valance and I'm going to be painting that red as well. But let me show you the 454 SS bow tie. There's the part number if you want to get it. And there it is. I think it's gonna look clean. Right now, it's gonna test fit it just to see how it looks. Oh yeah, that's gonna look way clean with the red bumper filler and the red lower valance. It's gonna look clean. So right now I already have my little paint table set up, so I'm gonna remove the lower valance. I think it should be like 10 millimeter screws or bolts. I'll let you know once I get down there, but I have my tools in the back. I'm also going to be removing off the whole grill and everything, so stay tuned for that. So I already took the grill off. So there's 11 10 millimeter bolts that hold them on. See, like right here all the way. So I'm going to be starting to take those out right now. Hey, what's up guys? So I finally got the lower valance off, so now I got everything set up so we can start spraying it. So I just finished spraying the lower valance and the bumper filler. I'm gonna let it sit for probably about 20 minutes and then we'll go ahead and start installing everything. Meanwhile, I let it dry. I went ahead and installed the bow tie. I think the bow tie looks really good. I couldn't figure out, so they sent this and I couldn't figure out how to install it, so what I ended up using was just a tight rubber grommet on both sides. It's actually double rolled to keep it tighter, and that's what's holding the bow tie in place. It's the same thing that I'm using to keep my lights held in place, because this isn't the original grill that came on this truck, you know, obviously. So I'm just trying to make everything work, but I'm gonna let everything dry and then we'll go ahead and start installing everything and see how it looks at the end. All right guys, so I just finished putting everything back together. Check out how it looks. I think it looks good. I think it looks way good in my opinion. The bumper filler didn't want to fit in, so I kind of scratched it up, as you can see. Kind of scratched some of the paint off, but here you can see it. But it still looks a lot better in my opinion, especially with the 454 SS bow tie. I think it looks way nice. I'm way happy of it. So I'm gonna let the sun go down a little bit and then I'm gonna put on the door projectors and I'll show you guys how that looks. Hey, what's up guys? So I moved the truck inside the carport. The sun already went down, but it started raining. Hopefully I can show you guys how they look. The door projectors. There it is. It was a pretty straightforward install. The projectors have the 3M adhesive tape, so you just tape it to your door panel and stick the magnet sensor exactly where it would be to shut it off. How I did it to install was I put the sensor on first. I put the door projector on first, got inside the truck and I closed it, and I just positioned the sensor to where it would shut off, and then that's where I just stuck it on. So every time you close the door, it shuts off, and the moment it senses it's away from the sensor, it comes back on again. So that's pretty cool. It does have a 1 minute timeout setting, so if your truck is open, if your door is open for like more than a minute, the light will go off by itself. I'll leave this door open, and I'll go ahead and show you on the other side, and hopefully by the time I come back that I can show you that the light went off. So that's how it looks on the passenger side. It looks pretty good. I think it'll look pretty clean at night when I'm at the meets and stuff pretty late, and I go and open my door. I think that'll look pretty dope. My favorite part is that it matches the bow tie. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's pretty dark, but it hasn't even went off yet. But yeah, after a while it does go off. So if your door is open for a long time, the light won't stay on each time. So if you want it on, just close the door and just open it again. But obviously I have the blue LED interior light, and now the red door projector. It's just a little thing. So stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.